Hello children, how are you? In previous session, we have learnt about train journey. We knew about different types of ticket booking methods. We knew that there are many facilities in the train, and we also understood that trains reflect national integration. Let's start today's session. Learning outcomes from this session. Children will be able to know about cleanliness in trains, understand about railway signals, know about what precautions should be taken while on a train journey. Cleanliness in trains. The train was moving. Some people in the train were eating groundnuts and some others were eating bananas and sweet limes. They were throwing the peel of the fruits in the train. Ravi did not like it. He thought, why don't they put the peels in the dustbin in the bogie? Discuss in groups. What should we do with peels of the fruit and garbage in the train? We keep in cover. Where should we throw them? Dustbin. What happens if we wash our hands through the window while traveling in the train? It troubles for other passengers and us, so we should wash our hands at wash basin only. What happens if you don't flush the toilet properly after use? It look ugly and uncomfortable for other passengers. It is said that we should not use toilets when the train is not moving. Why? Generally, trains stop at railway stations. If we use toilets at that time, it becomes inconvenience to the passengers. Railway signals. Next morning, Venugopal introduced Ravi to the girl sitting next to them. Her name was Anita. She said that she too was going to the same program in Delhi. The train stopped at a place for a long time. Why has train stopped? Asked Ravi Prakash. The red light is on, said Anita. Do the trains have signals? Asked Ravi Prakash. Children, think. Why do trains have signals? To stop, move, and when train changes track. Why do they close the railway gate? To stop the vehicles crossing the railway tracks. When a train passes through a level crossing, the gates are closed on both sides, said Anita. Anita also told that the gates would be opened and the vehicles would be allowed after the train had left. Green light was on and the train moved. Look at this video, children. Vehicles are moving when the gate is opened. Discuss in groups. Why should we not cross the track when the railway gate is closed? At any time, train will come. Accidents could happen. What precautions should be taken? We should cross the track only when gate is opened. Why shouldn't we stand at the door of the train? We may fall down. It is uncomfortable for other passengers. What other precautions should be taken while on a train journey? We carry less luggage. Why should we carry less luggage while traveling? It is easy to carry and comfortable to us. What facility is there to stop the train in case of an emergency? Chain facility. We pull the chain, then train will be stopped. Standing near the door causes inconvenience to the passengers boarding and alighting. One may fall on the railway track if slipped. The train traveled through different places throughout the day: hills, forests, rivers, fields, bridges, tunnels, barren lands, and sandy soils were seen through the window. Another day was passed in the journey. We reached Delhi, said Venugopal. Ravi received the prize in the Children's Day celebrations. They were permitted to travel by a plane while returning. They were happy to travel by plane. Children, Ravi Prakash traveled in bus, auto, train to reach Delhi. In return, he traveled by plane also. Okay, children? With this session, we completed our lesson from village to Delhi. Okay, children? I will give you some homework. Do your homework and show it to your teacher. There are inquiry counters in railway stations and bus stations. We can know details of a journey from them. What questions would you ask to know about a train journey to Delhi? Okay, children? Take care, children. Bye, children.